Good evening. A war of words today between the man who funds the LNP and the man who leads it. Premier Campbell Newman calling Clive Palmer's Coolum development plan, which the mining magnate describes as jobs before dunes, over the top.
Clive Palmer's larger-than-life plans have attracted controversy from the public, environmentalists and local businesses. Now the Premier's weighed in.
His proposal for a Sunshine Coast is an inappropriate development. Anyone who's seen it knows that it's an inappropriate development.
A live LNP member, donor, even a possible federal candidate. But Campbell Newman didn't hold back. Palmer criticised the government's public service cuts. Newman fighting back, accusing the billionaire of trying to win political favours, including his Coolum development.
This government will not be bullied into building railway lines in the wrong place or inappropriate tourism developments on the Sunshine Coast.
Why attack me as an individual? Why not attack what I'm saying? They won't do that because they know very well what I'm saying is true.
Mr Palmer says his extravagant dream, including a casino, theme park and hovercraft, will create thousands of jobs.
I don't agree with many things that Mr Palmer says.
Clive Palmer's Coolum plans are currently just a proposal. No official application is before council. Development Minister Jeff Seeney says he will be offered no shortcuts to get the plans through. Mr Palmer says the government should just be grateful he's willing to invest in the state.
If I made that offer to any governor in the United States, I'd be in the White House the next day seeing the President encouraging me to do it.
He's now planning to distribute a booklet before asking the public to vote. If coast locals don't want the development, he says he will take his money overseas. Jessica Millward, Win News.